Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the details and sizes, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. On the front we have 3 feet wide in meter 0.91 meter wide outdoor sitting area here and also a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a living cum kitchen area. The size of the living cum kitchen area is 7 feet 6 inches into 16 feet 4 inches in meter 2.28 into 4.97 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also in the front wall we have a TV unit arrangement. After that we will go inside. So we have a kitchen area here. We have a dining counter here with 2 chairs, and also you can see here the burner, sink area, and also refrigerator arrangement. After that we will go inside. So we have a common washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet 2 inches into 6 feet in meter 1.27 into 1.82 meter. You can see here the water closet arrangement, shower area arrangement. Water closet and shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. We will go inside. So we have a room here. The size of the room is 8 feet 6 inches into 10 feet in meter 2.59 into 3.04 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, and also we have a window for ventilation and light purpose. With this room we have a attached washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet in meter 1.21 into 1.82 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate, and also a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. On the left side we have an outdoor sitting area also. Outdoor sitting area is 3 feet wide in meter 0.91 meter. You can see here the sitting arrangements, chairs, and also tables. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so you can comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the videos and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.